Did you know that after the age of 60, the average person loses nearly 3 to 8% of their muscle mass every single decade? That means by the time most seniors reach their 70s or 80s, they've lost almost a third of their strength, making it harder to walk, climb stairs, or even get out of a chair. But here's the surprising part. You don't need expensive supplements or fancy diets to fight this. In fact, science shows there are simple, everyday foods, cheap foods you can find in any grocery store, that can actually help seniors rebuild and maintain muscle. And today, we're going to reveal 7 of the very best. Why does this matter so much for seniors? Because muscle isn't just about looking strong, it's about living strong. Muscle is what allows you to stay independent, protect your bones from falls, support your joints, and even keep your metabolism active. Without enough muscle, life gets harder. Energy dips, balance worsens, and recovery from illness slows down. But here's the good news. Muscle can be rebuilt at any age. Yes, even if you're 60, 70, or older. The secret lies in giving your body the right building blocks. And the best part? You don't need to break the bank. The 7 foods I'll share with you today are affordable, accessible, and backed by science for their powerful muscle-boosting benefits. So, let's dive in. And I promise, the last food on this list might surprise you the most. Let's start with one of the simplest, cheapest, and most powerful muscle foods out there. Eggs. 1 large. Egg has about 6 grams of high-quality protein, which is essential for repairing and building muscle fibers. But what makes eggs special is that they contain all 9 essential amino acids in the perfect ratio, something scientists call a complete protein. This means every bit of protein you eat from an egg is used efficiently by your muscles. Now, many seniors worry about cholesterol in eggs, but modern research shows that for most people, eggs actually improve the good HDL cholesterol and don't raise heart disease risk. In fact, studies show that eating up to 1 or 2 eggs per day is not only safe, but beneficial. Practical tip. Try starting your day with a boiled egg, a veggie omelet, or even scrambled eggs. Paired with whole grain toast, you've got a powerful, muscle-building breakfast. Have you noticed how much more energy you feel after an egg breakfast compared to sugary cereal? That's because protein keeps you fuller, steadier, and ready for the day. The second food is humble, inexpensive, and often overlooked: lentils. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils packs about 18 grams of protein and nearly 16 grams of fiber. That's incredible value for just pennies per serving. Lentils are not only rich in protein, but they're also loaded with iron, folate, and magnesium, all nutrients that support energy, circulation, and muscle function. Science shows that plant proteins like lentils, when eaten regularly, can be just as effective for muscle health as animal proteins, especially when paired with whole grains like rice or whole wheat bread. Practical tip: cook up a pot of lentil soup. Add lentils to your salads or enjoy them with rice for a simple, filling meal. Not only do they build muscle, but they're also fantastic for digestion and blood sugar control. Now ask yourself, wouldn't it be nice to build muscle while also keeping your grocery bill low? Lentils make that possible. The third food, on. Our list is creamy, delicious, and incredibly rich in protein. Greek yogurt. Compared to regular yogurt, Greek yogurt has nearly double the protein. 1 cup provides around 15 to 20 grams of muscle-fueling protein, along with calcium for strong bones and probiotics for gut health. But here's what makes Greek yogurt unique. It contains both fast-digesting whey protein and slow-digesting casein. Protein. That means your muscles get an immediate supply of nutrients, plus a steady trickle of amino acids over time. This combination is especially effective for seniors, helping to maintain muscle throughout the day and even overnight. Tip: Have Greek yogurt as a snack with berries, or add it to smoothies. You can even use it in place of sour cream. Can you imagine how much stronger your body would feel if every snack gave your muscles the fuel they crave? That's exactly what Greek yogurt does. The fourth food is a pantry hero: canned tuna. 1. Can of tuna packs about 25 to 30 grams of protein with almost zero carbs. It's lean, it's cheap, and it's easy to store. Tuna is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation, improve joint health, and may even increase muscle protein synthesis. For seniors, omega-3s are especially important. They help keep muscles from breaking down and support overall mobility. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that omega-3 supplementation improved muscle function in older adults. Practical tip: mix canned tuna with a little olive oil and lemon juice, spread it on whole grain crackers, or toss it into a salad. And here's a question. Isn't it amazing that such a small, inexpensive can of tuna can give your body the same muscle-building power as a pricey protein shake? The fifth food isn't flashy, but it's powerful. Oats. Oats are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates which provide steady energy for your muscles. They also contain a surprising amount of protein for a grain, about 5 grams per half cup. Plus, they're packed with magnesium and B vitamins, which support muscle contractions and energy production. Here's the science. After you eat protein, your muscles need energy to actually use those amino acids to build new fibers. Carbohydrates like oats supply that energy. Without them, your body can't efficiently grow muscle. Practical tip: enjoy oatmeal in the morning, topped with nuts and fruit, or use oats in homemade energy bars. Have you noticed how sluggish you feel when you skip breakfast? Oats solve that by fueling both your brain and your muscles. Next up is a classic: chicken. But not the expensive chicken breast everyone talks about. Let's focus on chicken thighs. Chicken thighs are not only more affordable, but they're also juicier and packed with about 20 grams of protein per serving. They contain B vitamins, zinc, and iron, all of which are essential for energy and muscle recovery. Some seniors worry that thighs have a bit more fat than breasts, but here's the truth: that small amount of healthy fat actually helps your body absorb vitamins and keeps you fuller for longer. Practical tip: roast or grill chicken thighs with simple herbs and spices, and you've got a delicious muscle-building meal that doesn't cost much. And ask yourself, wouldn't you rather eat something satisfying, tasty, and budget-friendly while still building strength? Chicken thighs deliver exactly that. Finally, let's talk about one of the most underrated muscle foods: cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles for hours, making it the perfect food before bed. 1 cup has about 25 grams of protein, plus calcium for bone strength. Here's the science. When you sleep, your body still repairs and rebuilds muscle. By eating cottage cheese at night, you're giving your body a steady supply of amino acids throughout those crucial hours. Studies show that seniors who consume casein-rich foods before bed experience better overnight muscle repair. Practical tip: enjoy a small bowl of cottage cheese with sliced fruit before bedtime. It's light, filling, and incredibly effective for muscle growth. And here's a thought: what if simply adding one small snack before bed could make you stronger, steadier, and more independent? Cottage cheese does exactly that. So, let's bring it all together. After 60, maintaining muscle is not just about strength. It's about independence, balance, energy, and living life to the fullest. And the best part? You don't need expensive powders or complicated diets. The 7 affordable foods that science shows can help seniors build muscle fast are: eggs, nature's perfect protein; lentils, budget-friendly plant protein. Greek yogurt. Double the protein with bone and gut. Benefits: canned tuna. Convenient. Protein-rich and packed with omega-3s. Oats. Steady fuel for muscles and energy. Chicken thighs. Affordable, satisfying protein. Cottage cheese. The bedtime muscle builder. Each of these foods is simple, inexpensive, and widely available. But together, they form a powerful toolkit for strength and vitality after 60. Imagine waking up with more energy, climbing stairs with ease, or carrying groceries without strain. Picture yourself living stronger, longer, and with more confidence, because your muscles are working with you, not against you. And the first step? Add just one of these foods to your meals this week. Then another. Before long, you'll notice the difference, not just in your muscles but in your entire life.